Writing emails can be a chore, but making them sound like you is the real challenge. Today, I'll show you how to use Gemini inside Gmail to draft messages that match your specific tone and style, perfect for those high-stakes Spotify partnership pitches. Open Gmail and hit Compose. At the bottom of your new message, you'll see the Help Me Write icon. It looks like a pencil with a few stars. Click that to open the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Before you type, remember, the more context you give Gemini about your voice, the better the result will be. Instead of just saying, write an email, describe the vibe. For this Spotify pitch, I'm telling Gemini to be sophisticated and data-driven. Then hit create and wait a moment. See that? It didn't just write a generic letter. It used industry-specific language that fits the professional persona I described. If the first draft isn't quite you yet, use the Refine tool. I'll hit Shorten to make it punchier for a busy executive. Now I'll hit Formalize to ensure it sounds strictly professional for a first-time outreach. Each click adjusts the voice of the draft using these specific presets. Once it sounds exactly right, click Insert. The draft is moved into your email, ready for any final personal touches. If you need to summarize a previous thread for context before you write, you can always open the Gemini side panel in the top right for a quick breakdown of your history. That's how you turn Gemini into your personal editor. Descriptive prompts and the Refine tool are the keys to keeping your voice consistent. Hit like and subscribe for more Gemini tips. I'll see you in the next one.